Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to my grammar series. As I have uploaded 5 videos, you can go back and check 25 rules if you have not watched. Alright, today I have taken a very good topic, that is use of definite article, the very important. I will tell you 32 rules in just 5 to 7 minutes. 32 rules, this you remember. What exactly you have to do? You have to remember the sentence music are not PhD. Have a look here. Music are not PhD. Just you remember only one sentence. And I bet you can recall 32 rules where you can use definite article the. Very interesting. Nobody will teach you in the world like this. This is my style of teaching. All right. Music are not PhD. The very first letter is M. And remember, M for musical instruments, museum, mountain. So, what are those? If you get any musical instruments such as flute, violin, tabla, harmonium, just like that, these are all musical instruments. Use definite article the before them. This is the formula is all about. Secondly, museum. If you find any museum's name, for example, Victoria Museum, use definite article the Victoria Museum, just like that. Similarly, mountain. So remember, M, musical instruments, museum, mountain. We'll move forward to the next slide where I can teach you use of definite article the using you, because just you remember music we have completed M. We'll go back to we'll move forward to you. Here is you. U for unique reference or unique words. Any unique word like the moon, the sun, the earth, just like that. Any unique reference, you can use definite article the before them. I hope you understand. We'll move forward. Next letter is S. S for C and superlative degree. C, as you know it, any name of C, you place definite article before it. Superlative degree. We do have 3 degrees in adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. If you find superlative degrees like best, longest, highest, oldest, just like that, use definite article the before the superlative degree. We'll move forward to the next letter, that is I. I for island. Very simple. We'll move forward. Any island you find, the name of the island, use definite article before them. We'll move forward to C. This is very important actually. This is a bit longer to remember. Club, committee, community, kennel, country, century, choice. Do remember. For example, you can say club. How can we use definite article the? Find the club's name. For example, there is a club name Rotary Club. Use the Rotary Club. If you find any kind of grammatical sentence, you can talk about any grammatical passage. The question have been asking to rectify the error or find the error, whatever it is. You can make one correct sentence, as well as you can find the error. You can detect the error. Both of the things will be improved. Okay, what was that? It was club's name. Secondly, committee, community, for example, Congress. The Congress you will have to use. BJP, the BJP you will have to use. Country. Country means acronym. The UK, the USA, just like that. Century, the 19th century. Just you use that one. Anything you do not understand, just give me a call. 9938374001. Give me a call. I'll make you understand. So we'll move forward to next letter, that is R. Here is R. River, restaurant. River, any river. Mahanadi, the Mahanadi. Restaurant, the country kitchen. Country kitchen is the restaurant's name. Use the country kitchen. Just like that. If you remember the sentence, music are not PhD, I bet 32 rules of the definite article the can be remembered very systematically and easily. Otherwise, you cannot say 32 rules in fraction of seconds. All right, we'll move forward. River and restaurant, use definite article before them. Next letter is N. N for newspaper. Friends, you know that the Sambad, the Samaj, the Indian Express, the Hindu, always we have to use definite article before any newspaper's name. Move forward to holy books, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible. These are the holy books or reputed books, you can say, or popular books. Use definite article before them. Nationality, the Indian, the American, the quiz, just like that you have to use. Remember, newspaper, name of the holy books, nationality, natural disaster, the earthquake, the cyclone, use it. Never forget this formula. Music are not PhD. We'll move forward to the next letter, that is O. Ocean, ordinal number. You know there are five oceans. You can remember, use definite article before the name of an ocean. We'll move forward to ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, these are the ordinal numbers. Use definite article before them. And the next letter is T. T for train, the Rajdhani Express. You have to use that one. Trust. For example, there was a trust. Lakshmi Narayan Trust. Use definite article the Lakshmi Narayan Trust. Name of the trust. Okay. Trust means name of the trust. P. Particular thing. For example, pen. We cannot use definite article the, but yes, in which case you have to use the if it is specified. For example, I'll say, I have the pen which was gifted by my friend. Means I have specified this is the pen given by my friend. In this case, use definite article if it is specified. Similarly, person. If the specified person is there, mention definite article before them. H for hotel, the Taj, the Crown, the Mayfair, hotel's name. Use definite article. Historical events, the Panipat War, the Civil War. Use definite article before historical event. H for hotel, historical event. To remember that one. D for direction, the east, the west, the north, the south, just like that. Use definite article the before any direction. Dance, the Odissi, the Manipuri, the Kuchipudi. Use definite article before dance. Desert, the Sahara, the Thar, the Kalahari. Use that one. Designation, the principal. When we write application to a principal or to the principal, we write to the principal because principal is the designation. I hope I have completed 32 rules just in 8 minutes. I have given the introduction, so it will be 7 minutes. 7 minutes, 32 rules. Guys, remember, once I'm repeating, I'm going go back, backwards exactly. D for direction, dance, desert, designation. H for hotel, historical event. P for particular things, person specified. T for train, trust. O for ocean, ordinal number. N for newspaper, name of the holy books, nationality, natural disasters. R for river, restaurant. C for club, committee, community, kennel, country, century, choice. I for island, S for C superlative degree, U for unique reference or unique words, M for musical instrument, museum and mountain. Friends, this is my style. If you like that one, if you find this is something different style of teaching where in 5 minutes we can remember 32 rules where we can use definite article the, spread this one, share it to your friends. Let's everybody learn the shortcut techniques and we want to educate people. Spread that news. Thank you very much to all.